Today I'm going to show you all how to make this frozen treat. For many Trinidadians, Sucka bags bring back fond childhood memories. They are usually made with fruit juices, flavored syrups, or a combination of both. Poured into small plastic bags, tied at the top, and then frozen. Sucka bags are a nostalgic treat for many, especially enjoyed during the hot Caribbean days. Common flavors include pineapple, cherry, lime, coconuts, and even peanut punch. They're simple to make and are a beloved part of Trinidadian culture. First step for our Sucka bags is pretty simple. We're just going to blend everything. So the first one we're going to be making is some passion fruit. So here I have some passion fruit concentrate. Easily substitute passion fruit for any other fruit, pineapple, mango, a combination of all. We're going with some sugar, just a sweetener. You don't have to add the sweetener. I'm using brown sugar. You could add stevia, honey, it's really up to you. Or no sweetener, as I said. And then some aromatic bitters. This is just to give it a little flavor. But with these things, you can really play around. I mean, the options are endless. And this just needs a quick blend for the sugar to dissolve. The color change is just the mixture turning into more of a froth with the mixing, but it'll go back to the classic passion fruit color when frozen. Just as the name entails, we're just transferring it to a bag. Now the size, so I'm just going to divide this in two, but the size of the bag is really up to you. So you're just pouring it into a plastic bag, let it favor one corner, just taking all the air out of it, and you basically just tie a knot, a tight knot. So you see different size. If you want to put alcohol in it, it's really up to you. So next we're going to be making some beet flavored Sucka bags. So just like if you're making punch here in the Caribbean, you know, we love these punch, these milk based drinks. So it's pretty much the same thing. So we just go in with some fork tender beets, full cream milk. Of course, you could substitute the milk for almond milk, coconut milk. Go in with some nutmeg and cinnamon, mixed essence, and some condensed milk. It's the traditional sweetener, but of course, if you want to use stevia, honey, or no sweetener, you could do that as well. Agave, it's really up to you. You could truly make this your own. And just like with the passion fruit, just going to give it a little stir. What will tend to happen, the condensed milk might tend to settle at the bottom. So I just like to give it a manual shake, just to make sure you're not seeing any condensed milk stuck at the bottom here. And that's it. Just transfer to your bags. Get as much of the air out of it as possible. Right, and we're just gonna wash up and make the last one, the peanut. All right, and the last one, we're just making another classic peanut. So we're gonna do some whole milk, peanut butter. You could even add like granola to this one, but traditionally, this is how it's made. Some condensed milk, some nutmeg, cinnamon, and this added ingredient is not so traditional, but I actually like it, some ground cardamom. Mixed essence. Just as with the beets, I'm just gonna give it a manual shake just to disturb the condensed milk that may have settled at the bottom before we mix, right? Alright, so this doesn't need more than 24 hours in your freezer. So if you want to enjoy it on a Sunday afternoon, and these Sucka bags have gotten fancy of late. You see a lot of alcoholic ones, you see a lot of creative ones coming out being sold. Right, and then you just take your plate, pop it in the freezer, you're good to go. Alright y'all, so 24 hours later, just kidding, here we have our Sucka bags that I made ahead of time. So of course, as per tradition, you know, Rhett and I, we grew up as kids in these bags, so I just thought it best to bring my nephew Jordan. Which one you want to try?
What's this one called?
So we have beet, peanut, and these three are actually pineapple.
I'll take pineapple.
Alright, good.
This one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You know how to eat a Sucka bag?
Yes.
Alright. How it tasting?
Well, you ain't sucking it, it's chewing it.
Don't eat the bag, yeah?
And it's in the bag.
Okay. How it tasting? It tasting better than Brandon, no?
I'll give it that.
Well, Brandon is the boss.
Yeah,
But how I do?
Brandon.
Like I come a close second then.
Yeah.
All right, good. Fair enough. All right.
Thank you.
Right, yo. So that was the end of it. Thanks so much for joining us, and be sure to send us pictures, videos when you make your sucker bag at home. Thank you. Bye.